Welcome back to the channels, folks. Today, we are going to discuss how you can easily consolidate your credit card debt in a simple and easy way. The key is to approach the lending platforms that offer lower interest rates than traditional banks and take loans from these platforms to consolidate your credit card debt. We are going to discuss the best lending platforms to choose with low interest rates, quick withdrawal times, and more. To visit the official websites of these lending platforms, check out the description. So let's get started. Top 5 lending platforms to consolidate your credit card debt. 50k loans. First on our list, we have the 50k loans. This lending platform is great for those who need various types of loans without worrying about their credit scores. They offer installment loans and no credit check loans with guaranteed approval. To apply at this lending platform, you need to fill out an application form, provide the necessary personal and financial information, and submit it for approval. With the help of 50k loans, you can choose from flexible loan amounts to meet your financial needs. The APRs are competitive, and there is no credit check required for approval. You just need to be over 18 years old and have a stable monthly income source. Green Dollar Loans. Next, there is Green Dollar Loans, which is also a reliable choice for instant and personal loans. They offer loan amounts ranging between $100 to $5,000, catering to different financial needs. Their APR ranges from 5.99% to 35.99%, similar to other lending providers. Also, Green Dollar Loans has an easy and quick application process that can help you in getting your required loan amount easily and quickly. Green Dollar Loans can also help you by providing quick and immediate loans, which can be a great option for people who need quick money. Loan Raptor. Moving on, we have Loan Raptor. This lending platform specializes in emergency loans, personal loans, and no credit check loans. It is a great option for those who need quick financial assistance. Loan Raptor offers loan amounts from $500 to $50,000, providing substantial help to borrowers. The interest rates also range from 5.99% to 35.99%. To qualify for a loan at the Loan Raptor lending platform, you need to be above the age of 18 years old, have a monthly income source, and be a permanent citizen of the US. If you meet these eligibility criteria, then you can easily get a loan from Loan Raptor. Low Credit Finance. Then there is Low Credit Finance, which is perfect for those looking for a payday loan and same-day loans. They make the boring loan process super simple and easy to apply for. To apply at Low Credit Finance, you just need to fill out the online application form with your personal and financial details and submit for an application review. The approval process at Low Credit Finance is fast and easy, making it ideal for those with a low credit score. The terms and conditions are also very clear and transparent, making it a great option for borrowers. To be eligible, you need to be over 18, have a regular monthly income of over $1,000, and be a US citizen. Viver Payday Loans. Lastly, we have Viver Payday Loans. This lending platform is known for offering loans without any credit checks and providing same-day access to funds. Viver Payday Loans offers loan amounts from $100 to $5,000, giving borrowers flexibility based on their need. The interest rates at Viver Payday Loans range from 5.99% to 35.99%, offering competitive rates. To be eligible, you need to be over the age of 18 years, have a regular monthly income of over $1,000, a permanent address, and a valid savings account. How to apply for a lending platform to consolidate your credit card debt. The application process to get a loan from a lending platform to consolidate your credit card debt is quite easy and straightforward. Here is how you should go about it. First and foremost, you need to know your current financial situation and what kind of interest rates you need to handle, as well as what kind of loan amount you can get. Now, you need to gather all the important documents related to your income, identity, etc. Now, you need to find the right lending platforms according to your needs and requirements, and this is the most important step. Next, visit the respective lending platforms and start the actual application process. Once you are done with the application process, a lender will connect with you and provide you with a lending agreement. If you are okay with the terms and conditions, sign it and you will receive the loan amounts you applied for in the next 24 hours. Conclusion. To wrap up all the information so far, you can consolidate your credit card debt by taking out loans from less interest rates lending platforms mentioned in the video. These lending platforms can easily provide you with loans even if you have low or bad credit scores. But make sure to choose the right lending platforms that perfectly suit your needs. To get to the official website of these platforms, check out the description. That's it for today's video. See you in a new one.